Welcome back. In this video, we are continuing our algebra series by tackling two-step equations. If you watched our first video on one-step equations, you already know the golden rule. Whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you must do to the other to keep it perfectly balanced. Now, why do we call these two-step equations? Because isolating the variable requires two distinct moves. Think of the variable like a wrapped gift. First, you peel off the outer layer by undoing addition or subtraction. Second, you unwrap the inner layer by undoing multiplication or division. Let's walk through both examples step by step. Let's look at our first problem. 2x plus 8 equals 14. Look at the left side of the equation. X is being multiplied by 2, and then 8 is added to it. Following our unboxing strategy, we handle the outer plus 8 first. What is the opposite of adding 8? Subtracting 8. Write minus 8 directly under the plus 8 on the left. And to keep things fair, write minus 8 directly under the 14 on the right. Now add down in vertical columns. 2x plus nothing is 2x. Positive 8 and negative 8 cancel out to 0. On the right, 14 minus 8 equals 6. Notice what we did. We turned a multi-step equation into an equivalent, simpler one-step equation. 2x equals 6. Now we are left with 2x equals 6. Since x is being multiplied by 2, we undo this by dividing both sides by 2. 2 over 2 simplifies to 1, leaving x completely isolated. On the right, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So our solution is x equals 3. Always verify your work. Plug 3 back into the original equation. 2 times 3 plus 8 equals 6 plus 8 equals 14. So it works out perfectly. Let's move on to our second problem. Negative 3y minus 2 equals 10. The steps remain identical, even though we now have negative numbers involved. First, identify the outer constant term. Negative 2. To cancel out a negative 2, we perform the inverse operation and add 2 to both sides. Lay out your work vertically. Add 2 to the left side and add 2 to the right side. Adding down in columns. Negative 3y carries down. Negative 2 plus 2 cancels out to 0. On the right side, 10 plus 2 equals 12. We are left with negative 3y equals 12. Now we have negative 3y equals 12. Notice that y is being multiplied by negative 3. To isolate y, we must divide both sides by negative 3, not positive 3. Negative 3 over negative 3 equals 1, leaving y alone on the left. On the right side, we have 12 divided by negative 3. Remember your sign to integer rules. A positive number divided by a negative number always yields a negative number. 12 divided by negative 3 equals negative 4. So our solution is y equals negative 4. Let's check it. Negative 3 times negative 4 minus 2 equals 12 minus 2, which equals 10. The answer is rock solid. So to wrap up, whenever you face a two-step equation, follow this exact sequence. Step 1. Add or subtract to clear the constant term. Step 2. Multiply or divide to isolate the variable. Write your work clearly in vertical columns. Pay close attention to your positive and negative signs. And always take 10 seconds to plug your answer back in to verify it. Master these core habits, and you will tackle algebra tests with total confidence. Thanks for watching, and keep up the great work.